always wondered why Greek people tend to be angry. It's because Americans mispronounce their food. I'll have a gyro, gyro, Richard Gyro, gyro, G-string, gyro, one of them G.I. JoJo's. So at least for once say gyro. Arbus, McDonald's, Hardus. Gyros are nothing more than a popular street food in Turkey and Greece. Beef, lamb, and pork are put on spits, slow roasted, and carved as you come up. I would have used beef and lamb in this recipe, but lamb was like $12 a pound, and you're just not worth that. This is not exactly an authentic Greek recipe, but it's pretty close.
Look at that guy cook. He's having fun.
I like Doritos. It's Doritos. Doritos. This is about the only time I would recommend pureeing ground beef. You turn it into a paste, like cat food. It makes it thick, not thick. T-H-I-C-C-C.
You'll want to spray this liberally with Pam.
Basically, it's a really, really dense meatloaf at this point.
Think John Wayne's worst sunburn.
Before you attempt to slice it, give it a nice little chill in the freezer. Fit. The last step is a quick flip on a hot skillet for that additional crust.
Yes, sir!